Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys have been more. Today we're going to do something really special, something that only comes once a month. And so here I have my Boxycharms. I was not expecting them to send the small one also. So obviously that's two different prices that I had to pay. Obviously the small one ranges around $20 something and the larger one ranges around $30 something. If you guys saw my stories from last month, you saw that I did not get the premium. I really tried to because of the wait list, but luckily I got it this month, which I'm so stoked about. So let's jump right into the products. We're gonna start out with the small box, go over each product, and then talk about the prices at the end. So first off, we've got the Storybook Cosmetics Fairy Tale Robin Hood palette. I like the color of this a lot, so I feel like it's gonna be very neutral. This is my first time seeing everything, so I like that it's got its own little mirror, and I love these shades. Let's see if I can do like a little swatch. I really like these greens because I want to play around with these two colors, especially I want to create like a little Grinch look. And so, you know, you've got this like, I think it's like taupe. Kind of looks like a taupe color and like this brownish purple shade. And then you got your golden shimmers. So just do the green, gold. Ooh. It's really buttery. It's super buttery. I like how it's like green and gold, because like an army post. So army is green and gold. I like that a lot. Okay. That product alone was $35. So that's already over the cost of this box. Way over. That's hilarious. The next product is, I just spit a little bit. Sorry, you guys. The next product is Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. I am so happy that I got this because it was between this and there was like that little dropper product. I was scared that I was gonna get that because I didn't want that. I don't like oils on my face. They make me break out. But this is something that I'm really happy I got because I've been looking to lean in towards more moisturizers because I'm still repairing the dry skin that was damaged from last winter into like earlier this year. And so I'm really glad that I have this. So let's kind of take a look at the consistency, if you guys can see it. It looks like a gel. Let me just dab my finger into that and oh yeah. It goes on like water and it absorbs really quickly. It has like a cooling effect actually. Doesn't really have a smell. It has like this weird like gel smell, but yeah, you can barely smell it. It's just very unnoticeable, I guess. But I'm glad I have this. This is something I really wanted. This month they didn't really give you an option to like choose what you wanted out of your box, which I thought was weird because last month they gave you an option, which, you know, trust me, I took full advantage of that. So this product was $39. Golly. Okay, next product is the Ciate, I think that's how you pronounce it, Marbled Light Illuminating Blusher. I saw some of the sneak peeks on Boxycharm's Instagram page, and I was really worried what kind of color I was going to get because I don't really like those really dark pinks and reds type of blushes. I like to use something that's more natural, maybe with some pearl or like a really light pink. So it's called Marbled Light Dusk. That's what shade it's in. I like the packaging because it's like very holiday. And, okay, so yeah, that's exactly what it looks like. I might end up giving this away. So who knows? Maybe I might do my first giveaway. I might put like a bunch of makeup into a thing and just like give it all at once, you know, or one by one. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Not too excited about that, but that runs for $26. Okay, the next one is a Estetica brush cleanser and conditioner. I've never used a brush cleanser before, so that's pretty interesting. This runs for $12. Just comes in like a little tube like this. I'm sure it's just like other product cleaners. And then the next one is a brow makeover kit. This runs for $30. This is cute. It's pretty interesting. I'm guessing this is like a highlighter shade, like a darker shade, and then, you know, like a lighter shade for your eyebrows. You put the lighter shades in the front to the darkest, and then you clean it up with the lighter shade. Let's open this up, actually. Oh, what is this? Okay. It comes with brushes, and I'm trying to figure out what this little tube thing in the middle is. I think it's like a brow gel. Oh, it is. So it's like a brunette kind of shade. I don't know if that would match my eyebrows. Oh, it's brown. Like it's brown. Well, we'll clean that up later. I just wanted to see what it would look like sitting on my eyebrows, but it's pretty brown. I would use everything else, but I don't know about the brow gel. Okay. So let me tally all that up, and then I'll be back and let you guys know how much that costs altogether. Okay, so all the products total came out to $142, which was way over what the box cost. It only cost like 20 something dollars. So, and that's all for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products this month in the regular Boxycharm box. That's a lot. That's definitely a lot. And most of it will definitely be used for sure. So let's move on to the next box, which is the premium box. I cannot wait to get into this. I really cannot wait. Okay, moving on to our first product. We've got the Natasha Denona Cranberry Palette. This is my first time getting a product from her. I've heard so many great things about the products. I heard that they're just great. So this is the packaging that it comes in, and I'm hoping that this will be some great Christmas colors, because the reds and the greens, all of it, like, oh. And of course it's got the shade colors on the back. So let's see what it looks like. And here we go. Ooh, not really a lot of reds, but definitely more on the pink and purples. But the glitters I can definitely work with. See if you can see it. There we go. I definitely like that a lot. I'm not going to swatch it. Not yet. This is my first product from this line. Maybe if I can get my hands on more of them, maybe we can do a look with that. So that alone is already $48. Okay, next we've got the Glow Recipe Watermelon Pink Juice Moisturizer. I am so happy for more moisturizers. Like, give it to me, all of it. So here's the packaging. It's a pretty big packaging. MSRP is $39. 90% of this Silky Glow moisturizer is spiked with vitamins and amino acid rich watermelon extract. And it has hyaluronic acid and soothing botanicals. I'm sold. Oh my god, that's so cute. It comes in this really cute, like, baby pink. It's clear. It's actually a clear bottle. Let's see. Ooh. Okay, I definitely, I'm not gonna use this right now, but I'm sold. I'm sold. Okay. The next product is the Kat Von D Cake Pencil Liner. I've been wanting to buy Kat Von D for a while now, so I'm pretty excited. Even though it's just an eyeliner, I'm still like happy I got something. I love eyeliners, and I haven't used an eyeliner like this in a while. Ooh. Okay, so it rolls on like it slides like to perfection. Let's put it like that. Okay, the liner costs $19. Next up, we have the Avent Deluxe Hyaluronic Acid Vivifying Face and Eye Night Cream. God, that's a long title for a product. MSRP is $134. What the heck? Oh, let me make sure I got the right product, because this came in a pretty big box and this is all I got. This is, okay, let me compare sizes real quick. So you see size reference. This has, let's see, the Glow recipe has 60 millimeters of, that's how much is in that. This only has 50 milliliters. So this product, which is obviously smaller than this, cost $134. Wow. That's all I can say is wow. There's deluxe hyaluronic acid, which is great for anti-aging moisturizer for the face and targeting eye area. It deeply nourishes your skin, and it's combined with the signature ingredients to improve the appearance of enlarged pores, uneven skin tone, fine lines, dullness, and weakened skin surface, which this is, the perfect nighttime cream from what it pretty much claims to say. And I really want to try this because I hope it really helps me with my dry skin, because the past couple days I've noticed that my makeup doesn't want to stick to my skin for some reason. My skin is pretty textured. I hate that. I really do. Sometimes I have to like dermaplane my skin to make sure I've got like a smooth canvas, and so my makeup will stay on. Moving on to the next product. So we have two more products. We have the Ciate, another confetti highlighter. So I'm assuming, okay, so this is the confetti highlighter in the shade Confetti. So here we have, it's just like a plain, I think this one's actually bigger than the other one. Oh yeah, so size difference. This one is bigger, this one is smaller. And let's see what it looks like. Please be neutral, please be neutral. Yes, it's neutral. Yes, I really like that. See, it's got the, if it'll like focus, the light browns. And so the confetti highlighter MSRP is $32. And so last but not least, we have one more product. It's the Bite Beauty Agave Plus Nighttime Lip Therapy. I've never gotten a lip therapy product before, which I'm pretty excited about, because no matter what I do to my lips, it's always dry. After every kind of lip application that I do, like matte lipsticks that I use, dry. Even after using like some kind of like medication on my lips, dry. So we have this little product. So, and it has 0.5 ounces in here. I really like this. Oh, it's got like a little scoop. I don't think I've ever... Oh, it smells so good. I mean, you can definitely smell the agave that is in it. It's really... Okay, so it's like kind of like a waxy kind of texture, but it feels like something that definitely melts, because it's kind of just, there you go. It's like gliding. It smells so good. Oh, it just like slides over. So I'm guessing this is something that you can kind of scoop with also, just to apply it on your lips without getting it on your finger. But, that doesn't really bother me at all. I really like this. I'm definitely going to be using this. I want to try and use more nighttime products just to let it absorb into my skin while I'm sleeping, because, dry skin is not healthy. It happens. Mine was damaged because I spent a lot of time at my old job outside in the cold. My face was exposed to 8-degree weather and sometimes in the negatives. And my face was battling against like really cold, high winds. It was brutal. It was so brutal. It damaged my skin, made me extremely windburned. When I came home, it looked like I had a tan, even though I worked at night. Yeah, I worked at night. So that's how bad it was. So I'm still repairing my skin because I never used to have dry skin before. I think mine was more combination oily. So now mine is like combination dry, but more drier. Especially during the wintertime. Cold is not always a woman's best friend. Definitely not. So that's all the products we have in the Boxycharm Premium. And that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products. So I'm going to tally this up and then let you guys know. Okay, so the premium box came out to $294. Almost $300. Literally. So almost $300 for all of these products, which I believe I said 6 products. Yes. That's a lot of money that I pretty much saved, that I did not have to spend on all of these products. The premium box only costs like 30 something dollars, but you have to be on the wait list in order to get it. That's how I got it. I was very lucky that I got it this month. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. This was my first like official Boxycharm video, I guess. It was something I really wanted to start doing again because back then things were very difficult, and you know how it goes. So I will see you guys next time. Enjoy this video. Bye, you guys.